I'm Hiroshima Tsushita from Pioneer Corporation. We have been looking forward to this opportunity to show you all the long-awaited Champion Series Pro Subwoofer. It's here. 2400 watt max power and 800 watts nominal power. Wonderful. The Champion Series subwoofer, which is loved by many customers, has evolved further and has been reborn at the TS-W3004D4 Champion Series Pro. You can experience the ultimate deep sound and loud sound that will satisfy all bass enthusiasts. Deeper and louder, more than ever. This is the key concept of TS-W3004D4. Before I explain feature and spec, I'm gonna show you what's in the box. Mounted screw, 8 pieces, support to install into your selected enclosure such as seal type and potted type. Sealing cushion tape, reinforce and ensure sealability between the unit and enclosure. Let's take a look at how this subwoofer has evolved. Let's check it out. First, let's talk about louder sound. Champion Series must have great sound pressure, what realizes by body feeling as well as hearing. With the cooperation of our colleagues around the world, we have repeated prototyping and sound quality checks and have faced uncompromising product developed in order to achieve even greater louder sound. And finally, we are able to reach the completion of this product. Next, about deeper sound. We know that everyone who loves Champion subwoofer is not only particular about sound pressure, but also about sound quality. Planner who knew everything about the loud sound market and skilled engineers teamed up to develop it. In addition to pursuing sound pressure, the sound quality of the subwoofer itself and the balance when combined with other speakers and amplifiers were also considered. We are confident that the Champion Pro subwoofer will satisfy you in terms of sound quality as well. What should we do to increase the sound pressure? What should we do to improve the sound quality? I will explain in detail the technology of Champion Series Pro subwoofer, what was realized by such hot passion. 3 points are important to realize the deeper and louder sound, which is the biggest feature of Champion Pro subwoofer. Number 1, high driving force of the motor. Number 2, high durability that can withstand high volume playback. Number 3, accurate cone excursion during loud playback. The first point was achieved by adapting the largest magnetic circuit in the history of Champion Series subwoofer. The magnet, what is 120% larger than before, creates a powerful driving force. In addition, by increasing the amount of voice coil wire to 153% compared to conventional products, more powerful cone excursion can be produced. By combining all these elements in an optimal balance, it is possible to achieve an efficient and sufficient amplitude for the signal, enable accurate and deep bass reproduction. Second point is realized by optimized mechanism design for high durability. Total weight is 8.7 kg. It is 110% heavier than its predecessor, and the weight also shows that it was developed with a focus on durability. See, also basket. It's so big. Not only is it heavy and large, but the basket also has a focus on functionality. Heavier motor helps accurate cone motion, even in a large input. The bottom basket supports heavier motor, and newly designed air ventilation duct quickens heat dispersion of motor, resulting higher durability was realized by all of engineering effort. In addition, honeycomb cone, embossed surround, and traditional red spider are evidence of the Champion Series DNA and robustness. third point, in addition to high durability, is achieved through a design that focuses on heavier. As the voice coil moves up and down, how you can control it is important. Unwanted resonance will occur if the surrounding structure cannot absorb the vibrations generated when the voice coil is driven. Unwanted resonance is a negative factor for low-frequency reproduction, and it is mandatory to reduce it as much as possible. By pursuing heaviness and creating a stronger and more robust magnet circuit, unnecessary resonance was slowly eliminated, enabling accurate bass reproduction. Not only that, the vibration system has also undergone considerable evolution. As a result of pursuing the optimum shape, the strength of the cone body has been increased by 22%, and the strength of the center cap has been increased by 39% by adapting the honeycomb structure. Due to the high strength of the vibration system, it is possible to achieve accurate cone excursion against the powerful driving force of the enlarged magnetic circuit. In addition, by reducing the weight of the surround that supports it by 55% and increasing the strength by 30% or more, it is possible to achieve unparalleled accuracy in cone excursion. It's a pity, but the end time is approaching. Please make your own the overwhelming sound product by our hot passion and various techniques. Thank you very much for watching. Champion Series Pro subwoofers deeper and louder sound will keep you going crazy. Bye.